We're going to learn how to make a peace crane today. This is an origami paper crane or bird, and it's a traditional way of making a peace crane. You start with a square of paper and you fold it in half. There's several different ways of doing this first step, but this is the way I do it. I fold it in half to make a triangle, and then I fold it in half again to make another a smaller triangle. With that, I lift one edge of the triangle and I smooth the interior fold of that and press the point down to meet the other point so that I get a square. I turn it over and I do the same thing on the other side, but in this case I'm going to fold that triangle fold back on itself, and that helps me to smooth that interior fold, and it helps that square to fold nicely. So now I have a square, and the square has two sides that are closed and then two sides which are open. So as you do that, the open edges of the square gets folded into the center crease, and that creates what we call a scoring fold. So you do that on both sides, and you create those squares, turn it over and do it the same way on both sides. So you're creating a scoring fold. The next step is to create another scoring fold that scoring helps to make the folds more permanent. So that I'm creating this last fold that sort of creates a little boat. I'm going to show you where that fold is. There's the scoring fold up near the top of the square, and those other scoring folds have helped to make this shape of a boat. Now you have to kind of put your finger into the corners there to smooth out those corners inside the boat, and kind of punch them out and smooth it out, and there you have the next step, which you replicate on the other side. So I'm doing that last scoring fold, and this is easier because I can match the point of the top point of that fold up to the top point of the others. So, and here I'm folding the inside of that boat down. Now this is a place where you can go to other folds. I mean, there are people who make other things from this. But I'm going to do the traditional paper crane, and with that I'm taking those two loose sort of legs of the crane and folding one edge into the center, so you get a shape that's kind of like a long kite, and those two legs will become the head and tail of the crane. I'm folding those up into the center. I open up the wing and push the head and or tail up and fold it together. So I get a little house shape, and that outside of that house shape are the wings. I'm folding the one wing over one way. It's going to go to a 30-degree angle one way, and the other wing gets folded the opposite way. So this is one of the only asymmetrical folds in the piece. Everything else is symmetrical. Now one of the heads I'm going to choose. I'm folding it in half and then pressing it together in what they call a crimp fold. I pull the wings out and press down on the belly, and that opens it up, and I can finesse it a little bit so I can pull the edges out and give it more air in the belly. And there you have it. That's the finished traditional paper crane or peace crane.